Namaskar students, welcome to your mathematics class. Now today I take a topic that is based on exercise 1.1. Uh, in last video we take the definition of set and representation of sets and question number first and second. So now in this video we take question number third, fourth and fifth. Okay. So exercise 1.1 question number third is write the following set in the roster form. Okay. So its first part, a part is x such that x is an integer and x is greater than -3 and less than 7. So in the for making the roster form of the given set A, so we take all the integers. Which is greater than -3 and less than 7. So take -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Close the bracket. ओके द कर्ली ब्रैकेट जो सेट के अंदर के जितने भी एलिमेंट्स होंगे उनको हम किसके अंदर लिखेंगे? इन कर्ली ब्रैकेट. ओके, तो दैट इज इट्स आंसर. सो नाउ आई टेक question number third because second question is very easy. So now I take question number C, third part, that is set C. So what is set C? In set C the element x such that x is two digit natural number such that the sum of its digit is 8. So for making the roster form of set C you take two digit number, okay, whose sum is 8. So at first you take 17 because the digit sum 1 plus 7 is 8. After that 26, 2 plus 6 is 8. Okay, 35, 44, after that 53, after 53, 62, 71 and now 80. Okay, so that is all the two digit number whose digit sum is 8. So that is the representation of third part in roster form. Okay, now fourth part is easy, you make. Now E part, I take one more part, that is E part. Okay, so what is E part? The set E is the set of all letters in the word trigonometry. So how we make the roster form of the set E? So we make E. So in trigonometry we have letter T, R, I, Z, O, N, O, M, E, T, R, Y. So in this set you take T. So first letter is T, second letter is R, and third letter is I. Next is G, next O, next N, after that O. But you not write here O because in set देखो, in any set you take one element only one time. आपने सेट के अंदर एक एलिमेंट को केवल एक बार लेना है. ओके, बिकॉज हियर यू टेक ओ. आपने यहाँ पर ओ ले लिया तो दोबारा उस सेट के अंदर जो लेटर्स होंगे या एलिमेंट्स होंगे उनको रिपीट नहीं करना है. जो रिपीट हो जाएंगे उनको एक ही टाइम लिखेंगे. ठीक है. सो TRIZONO because O is here, so we don't write O. After that M, after that E. Here is T, but we write T here, so we cannot take the repeating T here. ओके, सो आपने रिपीटिंग टी को यहाँ पर दोबारा नहीं लिखना है क्योंकि जो वर्ड आ चुका है वो एक ही बार लिखेंगे सेट के अंदर. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज आर. आर को आपने लिख लिया है, दैट इज रिपीटिंग टर्म. सो नेक्स्ट इज वाई. सो दैट इज द सेट ऑफ ऑल लेटर्स इन वर्ड ट्रिग्नोमेट्री. देखो आपके सारे के सारे वर्ड आ चुके हैं. देखो टी आ चुका है, आर, आई, जी, ओ, एन, ओ is here, E, T, R, and here is Y. Very easy. So make question number third. Okay, after that we take question number fourth and remaining parts you make. Now after that I take question number, that is fourth. Okay, so what is fourth question say? Fourth question say write the following set in set builder form. Okay, so here you have given a set and you will change the given set into set builder form. So first set is 3, 6, 9 and 12. So how we make the set builder form? Okay, so look at first look at the given set. So 3, 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9 and 3 4 ja 12. It means here in this given set we have, so how we take here x such that x is first four multiple of 3. Look at here, x is first 4 multiple. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12. So x is first 4 multiple of 3. Clear? Any tough? And इन अदर फॉर्म यू ऑल्सो राइट द गिवन सेट. देखो जो आपका सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म होता है वो डिफरेंट डिफरेंट स्टूडेंट अलग अलग उसको डेफिनेशन के अकॉर्डिंग लिख सकते हैं. और इन अनदर फॉर्म यू विल टेक हियर एक्स सच दैट एक्स इक्वल 3n. x equal 3n. It means x is the multiple of 3 and n is greater than equal to 1 and less than and equal to 4 and n is the natural number. Clear? Any tough? So look at here what happened. X equal देखो 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12. So it means x is the multiple of 3. It means 3n. And what is n? N is greater than equal to 1 and less than and equal to 4. So put the value and n is the element of natural number. It means n is not any real number. Okay, n is only a natural number, not the value. N value is not 1.1, 1.2, 2.5, not, because n is natural number. So take 1 2 3 4. It means n is 1 2 3 4. And if you put n the value of n is 1 2 3 4, you will find 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12. Okay, so you make any form of the given question any tough. So that is the set builder form of the given function. Okay, now I take its second part. So what is second part here? Its second part is look at second part is 2 4 8 16 and 32. Look at. So what happened in the question? Now in second part what happened here? The given set is 2 4 8 16 and 32. You will change the given set into set builder form. Okay, now first we observe all the element in the question. Okay, here 2 equal 2 to the power of 1, 4 equal 2 to the power of 2, 8 equal 2 to the power of 3 and 16 equal 2 to the power of 4 is 16. Here 32 equal 2 to the power of 5. Okay, so it means the base is same here, 2 2 2 2 2, but the power is different, 1 2 3 4 5. So how will write? So in set builder form the given set name is A. We take the name A B C, any letter. Now in the given set we have a element x and x equal 2 to the power of n. 2 to the power of n, because base is common here, 2 2 2 2 2, and n is change. N is changeable value. N is 1 2 3 4 5, comma n is greater than equal to 1 and less than and equal to 5, and n is the element of natural number. So that is the set builder form of the given set. Okay, now I take its third part. pause the video and note the question. Now I take question number 4 because third part is very easy. Here third part 5, 25, 125 and 625. Here that is easy question. Second part that is third part, sorry. So in the question you have 5 to the power of 1, 5 to the power of 2, 5 to the power of 3 and 5 to the power of 4. Very easy you make. Okay, that is same type of question number second. Now I take question number 4. So how we change the given set into set builder form. Okay, look at 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6. It means here the given set all the elements are the table of 2. So how we write? So set A equal, look at in the set A we have an element x. X value is 2, 4, 6, anything, such that x equal to n. X equal to n, and x is the element of natural number. Okay, if you any natural number you take, if you take 1, so 2 1 ja 2. If you take 2, 2 2 ja 4. If you take 3, 2 3 ja 6. If you take 4, so 2 4 ja 8. Okay, because here dead s, it means that is a infinite set. Okay, in next video the topic is in next video. Okay, so that is the set builder form of question number 4, fourth part. Okay, now I take its fifth part. The given set is 1 4 9 dash 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 100. Okay, so how we will change the given set into set builder form? Okay, so at first we observe all the element. Here 1 2 2 ja 4, 3 3 ja 9, 10 10 ja 100. It means the given number all the elements are the square of the given number. Okay, it means equal, so we will take the name of this set is A. So it means 1 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 2, 9 is 3 to the power of 2, comma dash 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 10 to the power of 2. Okay, look at, observe the element 1 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 2, 3 to the power of 2. Here the element is 16, so it means 4 to the power of 2, and that is 100 is 10 to the power of 2. So now we will change the given set into set builder form. In set builder form we have an element x. All elements are named x. So such that x equal, what is here, 1 2 3 4. It means base is change here. Base is change 1 2 3 4, but the power is same 2 2 2 2. So it means x equal n square. X equal n square, and n is the element of natural number. N is natural number 1 2 3 10, and n value is greater than equal to 1 and less than and equal to 10, because here is 11 square is not present here. It means 121 is not here. So we take only 1 to 10. Okay, 1 to 10 natural number. Okay, so question number 4 is very easy. So you will make the question number 4. Okay, after that we take question number 5th. Now we take question number 5th. So question number 5th say list all the element of the following set. So first set is A equal x such that x is an odd natural number. So here you have given the set in the set builder form, and now you will change the given set into listed form. Listed form means roasted form. Okay, so here x is an odd natural number. So what is what is the definition of odd number? Odd numbers are those numbers which are not divisible by 2. Okay, so first is 1 3 5 7 comma dash dash dash, because no more condition is here. Here only condition is odd natural number. So it means how many odd natural number? That is infinite. So it means dash dash dash. Clear? Now B part is x such that x is an integer. and what is the value of x? X is greater than -1/2 and less than 9/4. So if we change in decimal form, x is greater than, so divide 1/2, that is 0.5, less than, divide 9/2, that is 4.5. So you will take the integer between 0.5 and 4.5. So what is the value? B equal, so take the integer between here is minus 0.5 and between, you will take all the integers between -0.5 and 4.5. So take, first integer is 0, second is 1, 2, 3 and 4 is also, because 4 is less than 4.5. Okay, and in this set 5 is not the element. Why? Because the x is less than 4.5. 4.5 value is 9/2. Okay, very easy. Now pause the video and note the question number first and second part. Okay, now I take its third part. Its third part is here, C equal x such that x is an integer. X is an integer, and one more condition is here, x square is less than and equal to 4. Okay, so in the given set, what happen? You take x. In the given set, you have an element x. So what is the which type of element is x? X is an integer. Which type of integer? This type of integer whose square is less than and equal to 4. So how we will take? So at first we take rough work. Okay, so if x square equal 4, so we have value is x equal square root of 4. So x equal plus minus 2. So it means x value is plus 2 and minus 2. Okay, but here you have x square is less than and equal to 4. So it means what happened? Look at. So it means x square value is, x square equal what is? Less than and equal to 4. So it means 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. So it means the value of x square is 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. So because x square is less than and equal to 4. So we take x square equal, what happen? So what is the possible value of x square is? The possible value of x square is 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Okay, so x square value is not -1 because क्योंकि आपने पढ़ा होगा कि माइनस नंबर का जो भी स्क्वायर होता है वो क्या हो जाता है? प्लस हो जाता है. तो इट मीन्स हियर कोई भी एलिमेंट ऐसा नहीं होगा जिसका स्क्वायर माइनस में आएगा. नेगेटिव तो किसी भी एलिमेंट का स्क्वायर आएगा नहीं आएगा. सो इट मीन्स जो आपको 4 से एक्स स्क्वायर की वैल्यू जो भी लेस देन एन इक्वल टू 4 मिलेगी वो आपको क्या मिलेगा? 4, 3, 2, 1 एंड 0. यू विल फाइंड only this value 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Now after that we take a number line here. Here is rough work. Okay, so here is 0, here is 1, here is 2, 3, 4, here is 5. So here is what is? Here is -1, -2, -3 and so on. Okay, now look at check in the number line whose square is 4, -2 and 2. -2 square is also 4 and 2 square is 4. Okay, so how we will take? So x equal what is? The square root of 4 is plus minus 2. After that is 3 का स्क्वायर बताओ. 3 का स्क्वायर what is the square root of 3 is plus minus root of 3 plus root 3 and minus root 3. But here in the question the main property is x is an integer. So it means root 3 plus root 3 and minus root 3 is not a integer value. So you did not take the value of plus minus root 3 here. Okay, so 2 सो x वैल्यू इज प्लस माइनस रूट 2, तो जो 2 होगा तो x की वैल्यू अगर देखो x स्क्वायर, इफ x स्क्वायर इज 2 so x is plus minus root 2, but plus minus root 2 is not an integer. Okay, so you will not take plus minus root 2. If x square is 1, so what is the value of x? X value is plus minus 1. It means square root of, if ये look at, if x square equal 1, so x is equal plus minus root of 1. So it means minus 1 square is also 1 and plus 1 square is also 1. Okay, so and plus 1 is also integer and minus 1 is also integer. Okay, if here is 0, if x square is 0, so what is the value of x? It means root of 0. Root of 0 is 0 and 0 is not in plus and neither in plus nor in minus. Okay, 0 के आगे से आपका कोई भी साइन नहीं होता है. ठीक, तो क्लियर. Now after that you will final the answer. So C equal what is -2, -1, 0. इनको एक अरेंजिंग स्टाइल में आपने लिखना है. ठीक है, -2, -1 इसका अरेंजमेंट बिल्कुल सटीक करना है जैसे अरेंजमेंट होता है. ठीक है, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. क्लियर हियर. सो the given set C is in set builder form. Now we will change the given set C in the listed form. Here minus 2 square is 4 and that is equal to 4. Minus 1 square is 1, that is less than 4. 0 square is 0, less than 4. 1 square is 1, less than 4. And 2 square is 4, that is equal to 4. Any tough? Very easy question. So now you make the question number third part. Okay, now I take question number third. Which part? Fourth part. Now I take question number fourth part. Okay, fourth part say set D equal, we have in set D we have element x. So, and what is x? X is a letter in the word LOYAL, loyal. Okay, so now we change D equal into listed form. So now you will change all the letters of loyal. Okay, so take first letter is L, second you take comma, because in listed form we take inverted comma. Okay, O Y A L. Okay, तो आपने जो जितने भी लॉयल के अंदर के वर्ड हैं उनको किस में लिख देना है? कॉमा करके. एंड इन लॉयल वी हैव नॉट एनी रिपीटिंग वर्ड. ओके, वन वर्ड इज रिपीटिंग हियर, दैट इज एल. सो एल इज हियर. सो इस एल को आप क्या कर देंगे? रिमूव कर देंगे. बिकॉज क्योंकि लिस्टेड फॉर्म में कोई भी अगर वर्ड अगर रिपीट हो रहा होगा तो उसको ओनली वन टाइम लिखेंगे. ठीक है, इन सेट एनी सेट रिपीटिंग वर्ड इज ओनली वन टाइम. ओके, रिपीटिंग वर्ड केवल कितने बार आएगा? वन टाइम आएगा. ओके, so here is L, O, Y, A and L is also here. Okay, so that is question number 5th. And question number 5th part is very easy. X is a month of year not having 31 days. So you will take, and same as question number 6th, that is very easy. You make question number 5th complete. Okay, now question number 6 is very easy. In the question number 6 you have given here is match each of the set in the left in the roster form with the same set on the right side. ये तो है ना, आपको वहाँ पर टू टाइप के सेट दिए हैं. वन साइड इज लेफ्ट साइड इज इन रोस्टर फॉर्म एंड राइट साइड इन सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म. यू विल मैच द रोस्टर फॉर्म टू द इट्स सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म. ओके, नाउ यू विल कंप्लीट क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. Okay, now exercise 1.1 is completed.